Hey guys, what's up? It's Logan, and I just wanted to talk to you guys real quick. I'm on the webcam, I'm bored. I just got done watching Planet of the Apes, and I get really emotional. So, I needed to talk for a minute. As you guys know, Fudge Brownies, we're doing new stuff. That whole thing, they're all gone. They're gonna be deleted. So if you guys didn't see any, you guys gotta watch them now. And this is my personal channel. I'm not giving it up. I'm gonna do Fudge Brownies too. I'm just doing this also. Sometimes when I'm at my house and I'm bored. So that's all.
This is